guys, welcome to my channel again. So let's start making our ear warmer. If you are like me who always cold in the winter, so I use this kind of material. I don't know what you call that, so that's why I'm showing in the video what kind of material is that. But this is really warm because I use in this DIY is my old winter warmer. Let me do it, okay? No. You're done. So get two paper pad and glue it together like the way I'm doing it. So now our paper is ready. Let's start it. So in this moment I decided not to use my old ear warmer, so let's just experiment now. So let's fold it into half, and then afterwards let's take your tape measure and measure at least 15 centimeter. I'll show you in a bit. 15 centimeter and make a straight line, and then you will do the rest. So after 15 centimeter, at this moment I'm already in trouble or undecided what I'm gonna do. No, actually I'm having trouble with the shape that I'm going to do, because I cannot really make it so round or make it nicely round. So I'm going to measure again the bottom, but I decided to measure about 4 centimeters down there, yes, and then the measure from the start is 6 centimeter, yes, as you can see. So 6 centimeter at least, and then make a straight line, and then afterwards that from the 6 centimeter, then make it a round shape. This moment I'm still having trouble, especially my son is on the way, wants to to be included there. He wants to make it by himself, so he's even teaching me at this moment. So yes, so that's the way. That's all up to you what shape you want to do, but this time I want this kind of shape. So as you can see, my son is all over me because he thinks I'm doing something for him. Drawing what do you call it? What am you talking about, Jen? What I'm doing is for him. He think that this is a wheel of a bus. So yeah, so after you make the pattern, cut it off just like what I'm doing.
It's mine.
So the measure of this wire is at least 8 centimeter. Then afterwards I'm going to bend it or shape it, but later for sure I'm going to make it straight again to insert it on my ear warmer, not my ear warmer. So first, yes, I sewn it, and then of course the end of the two side of our wire, I'm going to bend it like this, and then afterwards, to more security, I tape it, so just in case it's not gonna poke on my ear. So I'm going to show you how I bend the wire. So like that, reshaping it, and then I'm going to get the pattern that I just made, and then I'll show you how it should be look like. So the measure of this is 10 centimeter. Yeah, but you can do whatever shape you want. Just for reference, I show you that. So that should be the look of our wire inside if we make the ear warmer. Okay, if you like this shape. So in this moment, I am putting my palm. So now I'm cutting straight line, wide is 4 centimeter, and I'm making it at least three pieces of which I will show you soon, and that is 4 centimeter. So that is for our aging. Now sew this. So let's sew this now. As you can see, I already done sewing attaching all together to each other, and I like sewing also the edges, so it's nicely finishing, and it's easy to attach it to our aging for our ear warmer. So now I'm going to cut some again, sorry. So I'm going to cut off our interbracing, but I'm going to attach only on one side of our ear warmer, so only to this side. And then I didn't include in the video, so as you can see before, I only cut 2 pieces of this, and then I decided to add one more piece, so 3 pieces of this shape. So after you cut, you have to iron it so it stick together. So now, as you can see, I decided at this moment to cut one more of this, as I said before, so it's more thicker, so it's more soft for our ear and more protection from the wire. But actually it doesn't bother me anymore when there's a wire inside. So now I'm going to pin all together. So, and then afterwards I'm going to sew all the edges, but I'm going to leave 1 centimeter and sew at least in the middle of our ear warmer. So we're done. So this is my finished product, and then now I'm going to shape it, and that's it. We have the new ear warmer for winter. So that's it. That's how it done. Hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not my subscriber yet, and please like and share and comment please down below. I love you guys. Thank you for watching again. Thank you very much. See you in my next video, and comment down below if you have any requests, and I will do it for you if I have time, because just at the moment I am very busy, so I'm trying to squeeze this DIY. Yeah, I don't have so much time making new video. I hope you like it. Thank you for the love.